Hello YouTubers, Matt Cochran here, and I have an interesting foreign film to tell you about. It's called Birds of Passage. This interesting and well done crime thriller is about a 1960s man from a Mexican desert tribe who wants to bring his family out of hardship in the desert tribe and make a better life. How he does so would end up bringing hardship anyway, as his decision to enter a life of crime and smuggle marijuana with Nigerians would backfire more than once, as he would have to deal with the betrayal of his partner and the aftermath of bloodshed because of certain actions, and then do so again when his son insults a rival competitor and his daughter, and his pride and greed won't let him give up his son to the rival drug dealer. So he thinks he's untouchable, and that decision would ultimately cause him to lose it all. This is a great story. Pretty good acting. Can't pronounce any of the actors' names because it is foreign, and it is subtitled, so you'll have to read. But it's a pretty interesting movie altogether, and I think you'll like it. I give it 4 out of 5. You can find it on Blu-ray and DVD, or you might be able to find it streaming on a service somewhere, or on the PlayStation Store, you never know. So until my next review, watch those movies, like my videos, and subscribe to my channel. Leave any comments you might have on my comment section. Bye.